Does your daily routine look something like this? You set up n number of alarms to wake up early in the morning, but instead keep snoozing them, and then you wake up around 9 am or 10 am in the morning, and then you keep scrolling your phone and telling yourself that बस 10 मिनट ही देख लेता हूँ क्या ही हो जाएगा. And that 10 minutes turns into 1 or 2 hours. And finally when you sit down to study, your mind keeps going here and there. And at night when you are about to sleep, you keep promising yourself that कल से पक्का 10 से 12 घंटे पढ़ूंगा. You know what? This cycle repeats again and again. If your daily routine also looks something like this, then watch this video till the end to not regret it later. So today I will tell you exactly how I planned my daily routine, which helped me to clear my CS executive with exemption in 3 subjects. Now let me clear you. A productive daily routine always starts with waking up early in the morning. Now I am not telling you to wake up 4 am or 5 am in the morning, which practically is not possible for some students just like me. I used to wake up 6 am in the morning, and that's what I believe is the right time to start your morning, because at this time your mind is fresh, you have zero distraction and your focus is at its peak. And trust me, this one habit of waking up early can change your entire day, and slowly it change your entire life. After waking up at 6 am, don't touch your phone. Give your mind 15 to 30 minutes. Go wash your face and let your body fully wake up. Next, do 5 to 10 minutes of meditation, which I used to do, which helped me to be productive all the day. One more thing, a productive day starts with previous night. Before going to bed, take 10 to 15 minutes to plan your next day. Write down what exactly you want to do next day, because when you sleep with a plan, you wake up with clarity. Now here comes the first study session, that is from 6 am or 6:30 am to 9 or 9:30 am. This was my first study session. So start with the most difficult subject. What I used to do, मॉर्निंग में मेरी प्रोडक्टिविटी बहुत हाई होती थी, सो आई यूज टू स्टार्ट विद द सब्जेक्ट्स. सो फॉर एग्जांपल इन माय केस सिक्योरिटीज़ लॉज वाज द सब्जेक्ट जो मुझे बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगता था. सो आई एम गोइंग टू बी स्टार्टिंग माय डे विद सिक्योरिटीज़ लॉ इन द मॉर्निंग. Now next thing what you have to do is stay away from all the distraction. You know what I am exactly talking about is your phone. Now around 9 or 9:30 am you can start to have your breakfast. Once you are done with your breakfast, now you can go take a shower. Now here comes the second study session, which is from 10 or 10:30 to 12 or 12:30. So at this time you can study anything you wanted, like you can also do revision or you can do a lighter subject here. Now let me take you to what we have achieved till 12 in the morning. Okay, so we wake up around 6 am in the morning and then completed the 3 hours in the morning itself from 6 to 9 am, and then our second study session, that is from 10 to 12. So before clock hits 12, you already completed your 4 to 5 hours. So that's the biggest advantage of waking up early in the morning. Now at 12 or 12:30, go have your lunch. I will suggest you to please don't have heavy meal here, because it will decrease your productivity. थोड़ा सा weight lose हो जाएगा मेरी तरह, but और कुछ नहीं होगा. So after having your lunch, this is the time for long break. You can do anything you wanted in this period. You can take a power nap, you can talk with your friends, you can talk with your parents, you can scroll your phone. It's up to you what makes you happy. By exactly 2 pm, get back to your desk, starting our third study session. What I used to study was practical subjects. It's afternoon और मुझे बहुत नींद आती थी इस टाइम पे. It is suggested from mine to study subjects like accounts, financial management, and solve practical questions, solve scanners. We are at 5 or 5:30 and it's evening time. I wanted you to take a nice break at this time, so I suggest you to do some physical activity here. So in my case, I love Kathak dancing. So शाम को 6 से 7 मेरी कथक classes होती. So I went there for 1 hour, and that 1 hour class makes me feel active again. Now at 8 pm, have your dinner. This is the last study session from 8 to till 11:30 or 12 max, depending upon your capacity. Now at max 11:30, go to bed. Have proper 6 to 7 hours of sleep. And now if we can look into this, we have achieved a nice 10 to 11 hours of study with proper breaks. Honest daily routine which worked for me, and trust me, if you follow this routine, you will definitely clear with good marks. So if this video is helpful for you, please drop a nice comment, and I'll be making more of such videos for you guys. Drop me any of the questions, queries in the comment section. I will make sure to reply each of your questions. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye.